guys, so I seen this video on Facebook and it's a bunch of barber pranks, okay? Let's get into it. Barbers love pranking his customers. All right. Listen, we not doing this, okay? Don't sit here and try to me the whole time, okay? Keep it out of my mouth. Pause, okay? Pause. Pause, okay? Big pause. Blow my neck or something. Don't be sitting here trying to sit here and blow all of that in my mouth, bro. Come on now. See, that's why I don't deal with barbers. I cut my own hair. Spinning my clients around in a chair until they notice. Okay, I probably wouldn't have been. I don't know. On this one, I probably would have. Yeah. I was about to say, if he didn't like realize he was spinning them the whole time, like, come on, bro. Bro, get up out the chair. At this point, get out the chair. Come on, man. Come on. You gotta know. And he's spinning him around the other way? Come on, man. Nah, I'm getting up out of the chair. Bro. I'm hopping out. No, you're not finna do this to me like that. You're not finna do this to me like that. I'm getting dizzy. You know what I'm saying? See, that's why I don't... Listen, that's why I don't... My goodness. See, one thing about barbering is like, you gotta take it serious, man. You're almost a doctor at this point. You know what I mean? You're changing lives. You're changing the look of somebody's facial features, okay? You gotta take it serious, man. I would hate it if my barber played with me like that because I would second guess my haircut. I'm just saying. All right, this is another... This is another case of him blowing... I can't even say it. Oh my God, spraying the clients with... At what point do you like be like, nah, bro, nah. Like, he's just really letting the client do, like letting his barber do this. Damn. This is crazy. I would have been, is this staged? It doesn't look staged because like their reactions. But bro, I would have been got up and was like, nah, you ain't about to keep doing me. He's still spraying?
Bro, come on, bro.
Oh my God. He's not spraying the hair, he's spraying his face at this point. Like, come on, bro. Like, you can't be that shy not to do nothing. You gotta get up. Come on, man. Hey. And that's the thing too. He threw the towel at his face. See, and that's the thing too. Like, come on, you can't be that like, oh, he's cutting my hair. I can't talk. I can't talk mess, or you can't be that shy not to speak up for yourself. Like, nah, man, you can't let these barbers do this to you. Come on now. Just because they cutting your hair, you paying for it at the end of the day, okay? So you don't go on letting barbers mistreat you, okay? I don't care if it's a prank or not, okay? All right, so let's look at this next one. Another blowing the air in your mouth, okay? Big pause on that, but you know what I'm saying. All right, what we got here? Washing the hair. Nothing. I spoke too soon. I was like, nothing. This is innocent. But he's spraying.
Bro.
I would hate for my barber to play with me like that. Another mouth blower thingy. Another mouth blower thingy. It is kind of funny though. It is kind of funny. See, I'm like him, like, nah, back up. I'm dang near about to put my hands on you at that point. You know what I'm saying? Back up! Alright, so with this one, he's washing his hair. It's innocent, you know what I'm saying? Very, very innocent at this point. Until he starts going to the face. Why are you doing that? I would be scared to burn the client's eye at this point. You know what I'm saying? There's nothing you can do at this point. Listen, you got soap on your face. You can't just get up. You know what I'm saying? You open your eyes is gonna be burning. You just kind of gotta ride it out at this point. You know what I'm saying? Luckily, he put the towel on his face. Yeah, take all the soap off my face, bro. At the end of the day, come on, man. He's being real rough right now too. He must know this client. Like they must be like, I don't know. They must be boys because I wouldn't let somebody do this to me.
Oh, yeah.
And he threw the towel in his face though, like the nerve though, like the nerve. I know that this is pranks, but the disrespect with the towel throwing after you done put the soap all over my face. You doing too much at the end of the day, bro. And then to get up after all of that and get the towel thrown at me, I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know if this is a prank or this is just pure disrespect, okay? Listen, in the comment section below, let me know. Would you let your barber do these things to you? Will you continue to still go to these people? Okay? Will you continue to still go to these barbers? I don't know if I would. I don't know if I would. If he was my boy, I don't know. I'll have to check him at first. But it seemed like this guy was getting pranked too many times, all right? This was the first time. Okay? I don't know, man. Hey, listen. Words of advice. Speak up for yourself, man. Don't let these barbers do this to you. Or if it's your friend, I don't care. Okay? Don't let your friend do this to you, man. He's just taking advantage of you at this point, all right? Listen, in the comment section below, let me know. Would you let your barber do this to you? It's your boy 360 Jeezy. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My TikTok is official 360 Jeezy and my Instagram is 360 Jeezy. But it's your boy 360 Jeezy. Thank you guys for watching. I'm out of here. Peace.